Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about binary adder. Before going to binary adder, we have to know what is meant by arithmetic micro-operations. Micro-operation is an operation which is performed on the data stored in the registers. What is meant by micro-operation? Micro-operation is an operation which is performed with the data stored in registers. When coming to arithmetic micro-operations, the basic arithmetic micro-operations are addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, and shift. By using binary adder, we can perform the addition operation. Especially in this session, we are going to discuss about binary adder. Let us discuss add micro-operation. The arithmetic micro-operation defined by the statement R3 indirect operator R1 plus R2 specifies an add micro-operation. This statement resembles an add micro-operation. It states that the contents of register R1 are added to the contents of register R2 and sum transferred to register R3. After performing the arithmetic addition operation, the sum will be stored in the register R3, or we can store the sum or result one of the source registers, that is R1 or R2. Now we will see what is meant by binary adder. What is the purpose of this binary adder? To implement the add micro operation with hardware, we need the registers that hold the data and the digital component that performs the arithmetic addition. To perform the add micro operation, what are the basic requirements? The registers and the digital component which is used to perform addition. Our digital component is known as binary adder. The digital circuit that generates the arithmetic sum of two binary numbers of any length is called binary adder. What is meant by binary adder? Binary adder is a digital circuit that generates the arithmetic sum of two binary numbers of any length. Now we will discuss 4-bit binary adder. This is the circuit diagram of 4-bit binary adder. This 4-bit binary adder circuit constructed by full adders. These are the carries C0, C1, C2, C3. All the carries are connected through full adders. In binary adder circuit, full adders are connected in cascade with the output carry from one full adder connected to the input carry of the next full adder. Once observe here, this is the initial carry. Initial carry is 0 here. Next, this full adder produces the carry C1, and this will be the input carry for this particular full adder. Again, this full adder produces the carry C2. Again, this will be the input carry of next order full adder. Again, this full adder produces C3. This will be the input carry of this full adder. At last, C4 is the output carry. C0 is the input carry and C4 is the output carry. We also observe this. The AND bits of A and the addend bits of B are designated by subscript numbers from right to left, with subscript 0 denoting the lower order bit, with subscript 3 here denotes the higher order bit. Already we discussed about these carries. All the carries are connected in a chain through full adders. C0 is the input carry to the binary adder. and output carry is C4. Then what about these S0, S1, S2 and S3? The S outputs of the full adders generate the required sum bits. These sum outputs generate the required sum. Okay, this is about our 4-bit binary adder. But if we want to perform n-bit binary addition, then we require n-bit binary adder, and our n-bit binary adder requires n full adders. The output carry from each full adder is connected to the input carry of the next higher order full adder. The n bits for the A inputs come from one register. These are A inputs come from one register, that is R1, and the n data bits for the B inputs come from another register, that is B0, B1, B2 and B3. The sum can be transferred to a third register or to one of the source registers. We can transfer the sum to third register, or we can store the sum in one of the source registers. This is regarding our 4-bit binary adder. Now we will see one example. 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the contents of the register R1. Let us suppose 1, 1, 1. This is the content of register R2. This 0, 1, 1 is decimal equivalent of 7 and 1, 1 is the decimal equivalent of 15. Now we will see the addition operation of these two contents of registers R1 and R2. Here C0 equal to 0 because there will be no carry for first two numbers. So initial carry will be 0. At the stage 0, initial carry is 0 and augment bits A0, A1, A2, A3, 1, 1, 1, 0 and addend bits B, B0, B1, B2 and B3. Now we will add the carry, augment bit and addend bit. 0 plus 1 plus 1. Sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. This carry will be passed to next stage, that is C1 equal to 1, A1 equal to 1 and B1 equal to 1. What is the sum of these three bits? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum equal to 1 and carry will be 1. This carry will be passed to next higher order, that is C2 equal to 1 and A2 equal to 1 and B2 equal to 1. Sum of these three bits is sum equal to 1 and carry equal to 1. This carry will be passed to next stage, that is C3 equal to 1, A3 equal to 0 and B3 equal to 1. Sum will be 1 plus 0 plus 1. Sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Here, the sum of two binary numbers from the above table is C4, S3, S2, S1 and S0. 1, 0, 1, 1. Decimal equivalent of this binary number is 22. The sum of these two values 7 plus 15 equal to 22. This is regarding our binary adder. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you all of you. Thank you once again.